2022 GMC Denali just arrived. This truck we actually sourced new for a good customer of ours. We did all of the equipment, which includes a proper control arm replacement leveling / lift kit for 3 inches. Sorry, the sun is terribly positioned currently with the way this is parked, but this is a tri-coat. I call it platinum white or pearl white Denali. 1 owner, 1 driver, and this is probably the 5th or 6th truck we've done this way for him. He gets a new truck every year. We just got his new one in and getting ready to equip it for him. Same setup again, 3-inch kit, 35-inch tires, 22-inch wheels, proper offset, no turning radius issues. Very clean tire and wheel combination. A very clean truck, as you can see. It's not all rock nicked up like most. We did the color match tri-coat fender flares, LED lights, fog lights, power folding running boards, $25,000 miles, still under all factory warranty. Wireless phone wireless phone charger, sunroof, heated, cooled, power memory leather seats, spray and bed liner, 5th wheel and gooseneck provisions, LED bed lights. This truck has towed 1 time right there with a receiver hitch, but he left the receiver in there so it dangled around, but only towed 1 time, and that was a small boat. 5th wheel and gooseneck has never been popped out and used. 360 surround camera, bed camera, rear view camera, side view cameras, blind spot monitoring. No deletes, no bypasses, no emissions changes. Completely stock, original truck, other than the lift kit wheels and tires that we added. We did just detail it up for him. It will have a factory service done on it before it leaves. Not quite due, but we're going to do it anyway. 6.6 Duramax with an Allison. One of the nicest trucks you're going to find. This truck is priced exactly, if you can find a stock one this clean. Every one I found was priced at this or more. This truck is $79,995. That is $5,500 worth of tires, wheels, leveling kit, proper alignment, control arms. So if you want a truck that looks good, basically all the upgrades, you're getting it for free. His last truck did not have 5th wheel and gooseneck provision. Not that it matters, he didn't use it, but that is a nice feature from the factory. And it was a feature that came on this one that did not come on the last 2 of them. So, and this is a power step truck. Not all Denalis have power steps. So basically every bell, whistle, and option you can get. Clear history, clean history, no paint work, no accidents. All highway miles, as he does travel quite a bit. And again, right at 1-year-old truck. Matter of fact, exactly 1 year, because I think we took delivery of this truck in January. So looking for a good truck with no BS involved, that's the truck. Good price, great equipment, factory warranty. If that one doesn't suit your fancy, one of the other 300 we have in stock hopefully will. Check the website anytime. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click and subscribe, because we are going to update multiple videos daily, just like our inventory flow. A lot of people don't realize we do legitimately get 2, 3, sometimes 4 trucks every day. So we're going to keep a lot more up-to-date inventory flow posting, as well as try to get videos, because we know they're very self-explanatory for customers that have questions about rust or modifications or all the typical questions that you should ask on a used truck. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.